Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Here we go to Alanya. Lovely traffic. Just lovely traffic. It's just become a big city. Big city life. City life. Big city life. Big city life. Big city life. Fuck this skinny people. Let's go. The f***ing idiot. First idiot of the day. Let's go. We didn't even go like 100 meters from the house. Yes. And this is Mr. Hamid in front of us, joining us today for a little trip around the castle up there. Let's go and see how it's gonna be. Let's see if they're gonna let us through this build-up here. Tourist. Yes. I cannot really listen to music and ride my motorcycle at the same time, but some people can. For example, Hamid loves to listen to his music while he's riding. I really cannot do that. I don't know, how about you? Are you the same? I have to listen to the motor. I have to listen to my surroundings. Especially when I'm on motorcycle, I have to hear everything. I cannot be in my own world. I am actually in a world of my own, but still. So anyways, I cannot do that. So we're gonna get some benzene first, and then gonna take the castle up, hopefully before it gets dark. Noise. آره خیلی کثیفه ما. It needs some cleaning. همین باید کجا میخوای بری؟ همین جلوی این بر بودش ها. اون بر بود، نه این بر. Oh, what a beautiful sunset. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is the Alanya sunset. The little bit that you see from it, but usually it doesn't disappoint. The sunsets are out of this world. Oh fuck, I missed my turn. Hello, Margapello. آره مفهولم. نمیدونم، هر جا میریم اونوری بریم چون روشنه. اینجا دیگه تاریک میشه. یا بریم قلعه یا بریم چیز، بریم بالا قلعه بیام پایین دیگه. So we are going to go up to the castle. So this is the, how could I say it? This is the right entrance of the Kale. So we are going to go climb all the way up to the Kale, the castle. The beautiful castle. Let's go up to the castle, and here you have a beautiful view of Alanya. Well, there are some couple of ways you can come up to this castle. One of them is what I'm sitting on, or a car, or a bicycle. And you can take this road, however, you can walk up here if you want. But I wouldn't recommend it because then you have to take it in a cool day, or early in the morning, or later at night. Don't try this in the middle of the day in summertime. Then we have, from the other side, Cleopatra side, we have a cellar cabin that takes you all the way up. Here we go. Another touristic place. This is probably one of the favorites of all the places, especially this time. Yes, Mr. Hamid. بریم سانست رو نگاه کنیم.
از مردم بیشتر فیلم میگیری قشنگ‌تره تا
آره.
خود سانست.
Yeah. Everybody's all into the sunset.
چی جمع شدن اینجا؟ همه دارن عکس سانست میگیرن.
سانست بگیرم که جایی نره ایره.
نام داره با کلاش میره.
سانست بگیرم.
حالا ذهنم
خواهد مثل یه بازه.
آفرین. آفرین.
آفرین به شما.
I did it. I did it. Baka anak sila.